This lesson is about reusing programs as functions. Remember, we have made an emoji converter? We are going to reuse it in this lesson to make a function that can convert emojis. Let's define a function, and the name of the function is emoji_converted. Then the parentheses, the parameter is the message, then the colon, hit enter. Now we are inside of the function. Then declare a new variable, separate underscore words. Then assign the message. After that, use the split method to split this message whenever there is a space. Declare a dictionary named emoji. Then the key is this string and the value is the smiley. I believe you remember that to get this window, we have to press Windows plus dot key from the Windows operating system. From Mac, we have to use Control plus Command plus space to get it. Separate it with a comma and go to a new line. Now, in the same way, for this key, use the sad face. The dictionary has been defined. Now outside of this variable, declare a variable named output and make it empty. Then we need a for loop. For word in separated underscore words, then colon. Hit enter. Now we are inside of the for loop. Use the output variable, then the augmented assignment operator, then emoji, and use the get method to get whatever we have in this word variable. The default is word as well. Concatenate a space with it. Finally, return the output. So the function is ready. Observe that last time we created an emoji converter, we used the input function. Definitely we have to use it here as well. However, we didn't use it inside of the function. Why? It was actually intentional. We should always use reusable and static part of the program in the function. It means only use those parts which can be reused and which we won't have to change in future. For example, define the input function and it will tell the user type your message. Now what if we want to say something else? For example, input your message. Then we have to modify the function again. So here, this input function should not be the part of the function, as it may change in the future. Now store the input in a variable named message. Then call the emoji_converted function with the message argument. The converted message will be stored in this result variable. Now print it and run the program. The program asks for the user input. Let's type good morning with a smiley. Looks good. Now run the program again. This time the message is I'm sad with a sad face. Here is the sad face emoji. So we have reused the reusable part of a program and converted it into a function. That's all for this lesson. Let's see what we have in the next lesson.